Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazon Men's World. In this video, I've come up to show you making of this stylish looking designing pattern, which is so simple to do. So without wasting much time, let's see the markings. This is of leaf shape marking, any size. Like this we have to give the markings, and here I'll be using antique shimmery gold Zardozi string, and we need to cut in very small size like this, holding it firmly like this without stretching. We have to cut it. This much length is more than enough. And here I'd be using cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle for stitching of this Zardozi string. So we are starting from the tip of the leaf, inserting one at a time in the needle, and the length we have to measure it and pull the needle underneath. This is how we have to start on the borders so that the perfection of the leaf will be elevated. Ensuring and maintaining the same gap, we have to stitch it like this. These are boutique design patterns, which is really expensive, but if you know how to do it, we can try it at home easily. So that's why I would be sharing this idea, so that we can also try these type of patterns at home without putting much efforts and saving the money. So one after the another, like this. One side we have to fill it first, then goes to next side. Now I'll be starting another side to complete this leaf elevating designing with the Zardozi string. The materials I have used here is of Zardozi string, which is of antique Zardozi string, and also red color kundans of circle shape small size. These materials will easily available in the fancy or the tailoring material shops, or else the links has been provided in the description box for your convenience. This is how the leaf has to be designed. Once completed, the pattern would look like this. You can design this on the pallo or any types of dress design. Welcome to the handloom world, the latest Uppada saree collection, which comes directly from the Maggam Vijaya saree collection. They are the manufacturers of Uppada sarees in wholesale price with the retail sale. Due to the corona pandemic, we are facing lots of problems. The same with these manufacturers. They don't have sales from last 3 months. These handloom weavers are really facing the problems. So we must have to bring them proper sales. Joining our hands, they have already in stock, which I am showing in front of you with the prices and the shipping charges. It's all the discounted price. They have the best collection. Please select the choice of yours and order them through online, or join in WhatsApp groups. The details is in front of your screen. Also the details available in the description box to join in the WhatsApp groups for the latest collection update. Please try to select the liked saree with your purchase. You can support. They are the genuine makers of Uppada sarees, which they make at home. So now the handloom weavers are really facing financial debt. Please, with your one purchase, they can have the sales which have the good quality as shown in, and also the price along with the shipping charges is displayed in front of your screen, which are very nominal amount for these sarees, because they put all the efforts to make this saree with the great collections. Please do join in the WhatsApp groups. The details is in front of you. Please check in the description box for the latest updates collections. And this is not the sponsored video. Even I had purchased the liked one, which I'll be showing in my next video for the coming Shravana Masam. My motto is help those who worth it. With the spending of small amount, we can bring the light in their life. And as the festive season is ahead, we cannot directly go for the shoppings. It's better to purchase online. The most liking one, we can select it with the less price. That too, these are handmade handloom fabrics which are really expensive in nature. If you want to buy these type of sarees in shopping malls, you have to pay double of this amount. So with one purchase you are helping them. I really appreciate all of your efforts, and my sincere request is to join in WhatsApp groups. That's it friends. Hope sharing of this idea is useful to you, and if you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon.